Okay, the continuation of the same lecture we will come upon on the posterior side of the ischial bone. When the iliac notch, the border, when the sciatic notch, the border of the posterior border, from the greater sciatic notch is supposed to come upon the downward, and when it will reach at the posterior side, at the inferior posterior surface of the inferior border of the aceticulum cavity, is a make a spine is here, and this called the ischial spine, and this called the ischial spine. The ischial spine, the portion of this ischial spine, this ischial spine is called the gemellus superior muscles is attached over here. Just or below of the ischial spine is another notch is here. This is called the lesser sciatic notch, and just below of the lesser sciatic notch is the ischial tuberosity is present over here, and this ischial tuberosity has the three area. The posterior surface is for the rough area of the ischial tuberosity is for the attachment of the biceps of the femoris, and semi-tendinous muscle is attached over here. At the ischial tuberosity, the posterior side of the ischial tuberosity, the rough area is for the attachment of the biceps of the femoris, and semi-tendinous muscles is attached over here. Just at the front of this ischial tuberosity is another area which is a trigone in shape. This is for the attachment of the semi-membranous muscles is attached over here. Just at the front of the semi-membranous membrane is another, the C-shape, the curve-like structure is here, and this C-shaped curve-like structure is for the attachment of the quadratus femoris muscle is attached over here. Quadratus femoris muscle is attached over here. Now we will come up on you are looking here the green line. This is the ischial ramus. The inferior border of the ischial ramus is this area is for the attachment of the abductor magnus muscle. Abductor magnus muscles is attached over here. When we will come up on the anterior side, on the inferior border of the pubis, and the inferior border of the pubis and the inferior border of the inferior ramus of the pubis, this area is for the attachment of the gracilis muscle. And just above of the area of the gracilis area, at the middle of the inferior ramus, and this area is for the attachment of the adductor brevis muscle. For the adductor brevis muscle. When we will come up on at the area of the pubic symphysis, at the pubic symphysis area is a trigone in shape, and this area is for the abductor longus muscle. Abductor longus muscle is attached over here. And just above the adductor of longus muscle, this is the another area, this is called the rectus muscles. Rectus abdominis muscle is attached over here. And this is the another area, the triangular in shape. This is for the paramedialis muscle. Paramedialis muscle is attached over here. Paramedialis muscle is attached over here. And the another muscle is attached is the levator ani muscle. Levator ani muscle is again is attached over here. The abdominis rectus and the levator avinis muscle. These are the 4 types of the muscles are attached over here. The one is called the abductor longus muscle. The other is the triangle in shape on the inferior side of the pubic surface is the paramedialis muscles, and the superior is called for the rectus muscle is attached over here. Rectus abdominis muscle is attached over here. At the superior ramus, there is another area is called the pectinus. Pectinus muscle is attached over here. So these are the parts of the different parts or different area for the attachment of the different muscles. I hope you learn a lot from the 2-day sessions about the different parts of the innominate and the pelvic bones. In the 2-day session, we just learned the interior and the lateral views or views of the innominate bone. I hope you learned a lot from the 2-day session and enjoy a lot. If you have any sort of the queries or the question, you can email me or you can comments in my YouTube channel HPH inbox. And the last, after the end of the 2-day session, I request you all please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button. Just you can get the alert. Yeah, you can get the new lecture about the anatomy and physiology of the skeletal system. Thank you.